How to unsubscribe from WNBA. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna talk about how we can unsubscribe from WNBA. So let's get started. But before starting this video, I want you to make sure you hit the like, share and subscribe option. So if you have installed WNBA and if you have subscribed on any of the plans of that particular app, and if you change the plan and you want to unsubscribe from the app, what you can do is, if you are on an Android phone, go to your Play Store. After going to your Play Store, go to your home page, and here on the top right you can see your profile. When you tap on it, you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option in the middle. Just tap on it, and under there you will be able to see the subscription option and the second. Just tap on it, and if you have subscribed on the WNBA app, you will be able to see the WNBA app under here. After seeing it, just tap on the app, and if you have subscribed, just tap on it and you will be able to see the unsubscribe option, cancel subscription option. Just tap on cancel subscription option and your particular subscription will be unsubscribed from that particular app. So therefore, in this way you can unsubscribe from WNBA. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.